Hello dear students, welcome once again to our channel Maths in Minutes with Priya. Today's clip 104, Arithmetic Progression part 3. In part 1 and part 2, that is the last two clips, we learned basic concepts of AP, the 4 formulas which we often use in solving examples. We also solved word problems based on AP. Today we are going to solve problems where 2 or 3 APs are combined together. So let's understand that. I am given this AP. Forget this and this. Concentrate on this. I am given this sequence and I am asked, say, find sum of first 100 terms or find 25th term of this sequence. And then I started observing it. Is it AP? Sometimes it is increasing, sometimes it is decreasing, sometimes it is constant. तो AP वाला तो कोई symptom नहीं है. See, in AP there is common difference. Either all terms are ascending or all terms are in descending order. यहाँ तक कभी बढ़ रहा है, कभी कम हो रहा है, कभी constant है. So I am not able to understand the pattern. So how can I find 58 terms, sum of 100 terms? But when I'm asked something like this, that means it has to be AP. AP का formula से ही find करना है. Then I start searching AP here. इसमें कुछ AP दिखता है क्या? तो look here. What I can do now, consider alternate terms. See, in your reasoning जो तुम्हारा section है, in that you get many mathematical patterns like this. कुछ 5 नंबर दिए होते हैं and you have to identify 6th one. So what do? You start identifying the pattern. So likewise here also I am going to identify the pattern. 3. अभी consecutive number में adjacent number में I am not observing any pattern. So what I'll do? I'll see if alternate numbers are in any pattern. 3 है, then 5, then 7, then 9, then 11, then 13. All alternate number I wrote here. And now remaining numbers. 2, then 7, 12, 17, 22, 27. That I wrote here. Now look at them. Do you see any pattern now? They are in ascending order with common difference of 2. And they are also in ascending order with common difference of 5. That means this sequence is combination of these two APs. So now let's see how we solve the examples based on combination of APs. This is the example. Find sum of first 20 terms of the following sequence, and this sequence is given to me. So what I do, like just we discussed, we try to find whether it is a combination of AP. Adjacent terms, I am not able to see any relation, but alternate terms, I see the relation, so I just copy them. All alternate terms, 3, 5, 7, 9, I copy it here. Then remaining terms, 2, 7, 12, 17, that I copy here. So now I see this is also AP, this is also AP. I want sum of first 20 terms. So this AP will have 10 terms and this AP will also have 10 terms. Together they will be 20. Alternate ये 10 फिर ये 10 मिलके 20 हो जाएंगे. That means one AP. This AP also has 10 terms and other AP also has 10 terms. Am I right? So what I do? I need sum of first 20 terms. So I find sum of first 10 terms of this AP and sum of first 10 terms of this AP, and then I add it. And how do we find the sum? We all know the formula. Sn is n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now for this first AP, a is 3, common difference is 2 and n is 10. So I substitute everything in the formula and I calculate, I get 120. Similarly for this AP, a is 2, common difference is 5, n is again 10. I substitute everything in the formula of sum, that is Sn का formula में सब कुछ डाल दिया and I get the answer 245. So for this AP, sum of first 10 terms is going to be 120. For this AP, sum of first 10 terms will be 245. So for this AP, the combined AP of 20 terms will have sum 120 plus 245, that is 365. I hope you understood how we solved it. First we formed two APs out of this given AP and then we solved separately for them. इसका भी SN निकाला, इसका भी SN निकाला and then we just added it. Got it? But then इसका भी एक शॉर्टकट है कि एग्ज़ाम में दो दो APs ढूंढ के कहाँ निकालेंगे मैडम, तो ठीक है, इसका भी एक शॉर्टकट है. See, this AP is given to you. What you do is, now you know that alternate terms are in AP, वो देख के हमको आइडेंटिफाई होना चाहिए. Then what we will do, we will take just sum of two adjacent terms. Sum 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 7 12, 7 plus 12 19, 9 plus 17 26, ऐसा लेते जाएंगे पेयर का. Now what do you see? Look at this sequence 5, 12, 19, 26. So it is in ascending order with here now A is 5. First term 5 है and common difference is 7. And we want sum of first 20 terms and we are adding two terms together. So this new sequence will have 10 terms. आधा बन जाएगा ना, 20 का 10 terms बन जाएगा because we are adding two terms. 2 का सेट बना रहा है तो 20 में 10 सेट्स आ जाएगा. So n will be 10. So substitute everything n, a and d in the formula of Sn. n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. ये हमारा formula ready है. Substitute everything and you get the answer 365. So ये जो combined जो sequence दिया था, what we did, we combined two terms together. And then we formed our own AP of 10 terms. Understood this? So in your exam, it will be better if you use this method. So instead of finding two different SN and then adding it, you just make a combined AP. ये जो दिया हुआ है उसको combine करो दो terms and then form a new AP and then find SN. It becomes very easy. If you haven't yet understood it, please rewind the video and watch this part and the earlier part, because now we are going to start with combination of 3 APs. तो पहले 2 APs समझ में आ जाना चाहिए, only then you will go to 3 APs. Otherwise what will happen, if you haven't understood this and you directly go to combination of 3 APs, you may feel lost कि बाप रे कितना difficult example है AP का. एक्चुअली बिल्कुल डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं है, एकदम इजी है. बट ये 2 AP वाला पहले थोड़ा रिवाइंड करके देख लो, देन यू विल फील कॉन्फिडेंट एंड देन यू कैन मूव टू दिस पार्ट ऑफ वीडियो. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 3 APs. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, फाइंड सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 99 टर्म्स ऑफ द सीक्वेंस एंड दिस सीक्वेंस इज गिवन टू मी. अगेन आई ऑब्जर्व्ड, since I am asked to find sum of first 99 terms, it must be in AP, but AP नज़र आ रहा है क्या? We have to find out. Now as I said, first see whether adjacent terms can be adjusted. Adjacent terms में तो relation नहीं है, so we can see the alternate terms. If I see the alternate terms, then there are 1, -3, -3, 3, -5. I am not able to find any relation between alternate terms also. So now what I will do, I will see whether there is relation between first and fourth term, fourth and seventh term. मतलब बीच में दो छोड़ के, पहले एक छोड़ के देखा, now दो छोड़ के देखेंगे. How? See here. First I'll take this 1, then 2, leave these 2 numbers in between, then 3, इसको छोड़ दो, then आगे. तो 1 is 1 2 3, so I wrote down 1 2 3. then I start with this. Again leave 2 terms and move ahead. Leave 2 and then this. Leave 2 terms and go here. So this is -2, -3, -4 ऐसे है. And now remaining, this is -3, then -4, then -5. So I wrote it here. So what do you observe now? This is one AP, 1, 2, 3, 4 ऐसा. This is another AP, -2, -3, -4 ऐसा. And this is third AP, -3, -4, -5, -6 and so on. So this is combination of 3 different APs. Understood this? Now I want sum of first 99 terms. 99 terms means then since there are 3 APs, this AP will have 33, this AP will also have 33 and this AP will also have 33. सब में 33 terms आएगा. Am I right? Now as I said, there are 2 ways of solving it. एक तो तुम हर AP का 33 terms का sum निकालो, that is also fine. A is 1. Here common difference is also 1 and n is 33. So you have everything. Just find out Sn. Here A is -2. What is D? Here D is -1 and n is again 33. So find out. Here A is -3, D is -1, n is 33. So find out 3 different Sn's and add them. Likewise you will get sum of first 99 terms. But in competitive exam time is always insufficient. बहुत कम पड़ता है time. So what we are going to do? We are going to use shortcut. We will take set of 3 numbers now and add it. ये क्योंकि ये एक दो बीच में छोड़ के है ना, तो we will take 3 terms together. Earlier what we did? We took 2 terms together and we formed a new AP. See in this one, the sum that we just solved. We took 2 terms together and we formed a new AP and we found out the sum. But here what we'll have to do? We'll have to take 3 terms together and add them. So 1 -2 -3, it is -4. 2 -3 -4, this becomes -5. And then 3 -4 -5, it is -6. So our new AP is formed, -4 -5 -6 and so on. And how many terms will it have? We need sum of first 99 terms and we are making set of 3. That means this AP will have 33 terms. 3 का कितना set बैठेगा 99 में? 33 sets, isn't it? So we will have 33 terms. -4 -5 -6. So A is -4. D is -1. Next term minus previous term. So it is -1. And n is 33. So put everything in the sum formula. We want the sum. So when I put everything, all numbers and calculate, I get the answer -660. So sum of these 99 terms, ये जो sequence दिया है, sum of first 99 terms is going to be -660. And you have to be very careful about the signs. AP में when there is minus sign, A is also negative, D is also negative, then in calculations you have to be very careful. Otherwise you solve everything, but because of this minus sign ये गड़बड़ हो जाता है. 33 minus 1 is 32 and 32 into -1 is -32. इसमें अगर गड़बड़ हो गया then your answer will go wrong and you will get 0 or perhaps negative marks. So be very careful. ये positive negative का चक्कर बहुत है AP में. So be careful. Answer is -660. Now let's see a slight twist in the same example. Instead of sum of first 99 terms, they are asking sum of first 100 terms. Then what we will do? हमने तो 3 का सेट बना लिया, correct? And we formed 33 sets and likewise we found sum of 99 terms. But they are saying they want sum of 100 terms. So what we have to do now? We have ready, sum of first 99 terms is ready with us. So we will just find the 100th term and we will add it into this sum. So we will get sum of first 100 terms. But how do we find 100th term? ये कैसे find करना है? Let's see that. This is the AP given by them. And what we did? We made sets, correct? हमने ऐसे sets बनाया था. ये एक, second set, third set, and we added. You remember this? And we said there are 33 sets. ऐसे हमने बोला था. So in this first triplet, which is the first term? It is 1. In second triplet, the first term is 2. In third triplet or set, first term is 3. So in first triplet, first term is 1. Second triplet, first term is 2. Third triplet, first term is 3. So in 33 triplets जो हमने पहले किया था, the first term is going to be 33. जो 33 sets हमने पहले बनाए थे. So first term is going to be 33. But now we want 100th term. That is going to be the first term in 34th triplet. The 100th term is going to be first term in 34th triplet. 33 मतलब ये 99 terms हो गया. And now we want 100th term. That is going to be the first term in 34th triplet. And what will be first term in 34th triplet? It will be 34. See the relation. First triplet का 1, second triplet का 2, third triplet का 3, third triplet का 33. So 34th triplet का first term will be 34. So sum of 100 terms will be minus 660 plus 34. Why minus 660? We have already found out sum of 99 terms. It is minus 660, right? So just add 100 term and you get sum of first 100 terms. So what trick we used here? If we are asked to find sum of first 100 terms, what we can do is first find of sum of first 99 terms. Since we have sets of 3, so 99 terms का find करना is very easy. There will be 33 sets. So we first found out sum of 99 terms and we just added 100 term. Today's particular session is bit higher level, little difficult to understand. So watch this video twice, thrice, you will understand it. Because these examples are very important, combined AP वाला. Straight AP का examples भी आता है. But if you understand straight AP examples very easily, then combined APs won't be difficult for you. So first watch part 1 and part 2, understand it, and then come to today's part 3. You will find it easy. In next part again we are going to solve few twisted examples like this, where Sn will be given in form of a function of n and then finds a 95th term, or examples like this where you will be given sum of few terms and you will be asked sum of say first 13 terms or whatever. So these type of problems we are going to solve in next part. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel Maths in Minutes with Priya, please do so. It's absolutely free. And please keep watching and revising these videos. If you are finding something difficult, watch it again and again till you understand. Don't lose hope कि ये difficult है वो difficult है. कुछ भी difficult नहीं है. थोड़ा basics clear कर लो. धीरे धीरे आगे जाओ. You will understand it. Don't lose hope. So see you in the next part. Till then stay happy. Stay blessed. Bye for today.